Welcome to our channel, our Sweet Life Vlog.
In this video, samahan niyo kami sa aming wild at exciting adventure sa Bear Country, USA, kung saan makikita namin ang bears up close. Ready na ba kayo for this unforgettable experience?
Let's go!
Hello, kumusta kayo? Welcome back to our vlog. Today, we're going to Bear Country, USA. Bear Country, USA is a drive-through wildlife park located in the Black Hills of South Dakota. This place lets you stay inside your car while driving through a 3-mile route where you can see real animals like bears, wolves, elk, and more, very up close. The entrance fee is around $25 for adults, $20 for kids, and free for 4 years old and below. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe to our Sweet Life vlog so you don't miss out on our next adventures. You'll get a map of the park when you enter so you can easily follow the route and know where each section is.
Oh my god, their butt!
Laki ng ano nila.
Their butt is so big. Why is their butt
Ba't ang
naked?
bat nila ganyan?
Now, why is their
May
butt
spot.
naked?
No, anak. Why? Explain.
Their butt-
Gabi pagkaandan sa right.
Those are butt
Ah.
cheeks.
Oh, sige.
Hi!
Hindi pa ata.
Kung magpapapicture ka,
Hindi pwede mo.
hindi, ibig sabihin, pag magpipicture ka, ipupul mo dito sa may bandang right.
Oh, that's it. Nani, Tesla, Nani for children. Hi! 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 Hi, Al!
Stop ka lang dyan.
Hi! Hi! Hello!
May mga reindeer ba yan?
Hello!
Ha?
Open up!
Reindeer
Hello?
yata yan eh. Elk muna tapos reindeer.
So,
Dahan-dahan lang.
sa ano natin. Patingin eh.
That's not a reindeer. There's Arctic wolves! Let's go to the mountain lion. I want to see the mountain lion. Can you go to the mountain lion, Mom?
Oo.
Wala namang fence dito.
Asan na yan?
There's some. Nolly. Oh my god, then you beat Nolly.
Matutulog, mga nagpapahinga. So dito naman daw our Arctic wolf.
Yes! It's an Arctic wolf,
Alam
not
ko
Arctic.
tayo.
Oh, there's over there, over there, over
Sa
there!
taas.
Ito muna kukunan ko si sagasaan ito.
That one's awake, that one's awake, that one's awake, that one's awake.
Mas maganda yung ito. Hindi kita yung mga ganun-ganun. Umaga pa kasi.
Oh, naantok pa.
Their butt.
Hindi masyadong kita.
Di ba?
Oh, may anak, mag-asawa sila. Mag-asawa sila.
Yeah, they're asawa. They're put together because they have their own home now.
Bighorn sheep.
A big goat. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, is that a goat? Oh my
Hindi
gosh!
naman tayo ron sa kabila.
Oh my gosh!
Mm,
We are in the wild, guys. We are definitely in the wild. We are not in bear
this is
country.
not a joke.
This is not a joke. We are
This
not
is
in
not
bear country
a
right
joke.
now. That we are not in bear country. We are in the wild right now. The car is there because, like, I don't know, he's weird. Okay. We found this first. Oh, it's babies!
May
There's
baby.
babies! Oh, what?
Tabo yun, hindi.
That's a joke, guys.
That's the gabo-gabo. Ito sa kanan.
They're in the cave, Mom.
Ayun niyo.
Ah, oo.
Mom, they're in the cave.
Ayun pa yung sa anak ko. May mga deer
Look
na
to your
rin
right
dun,
ni, nak.
Ayun, may deer din doon, oh, maliit.
No, those are just goats that haven't run their horns. Oh my gosh, Dad. Everything's gnarly. Can we go to the mountain lion? I really want to see the lion. I want it to eat us.
Kulang yung money. 5 seconds lang.
Oh my god, this one's so lit.
Sabi mo palusog.
Bulaga,
Mas
eat.
malapit.
Bulaga, eat. Eat. Where's Goatee? Oh no, where's it?
Sige pa ni, sige pa.
Bulaga!
Yan.
Hello, my mountain.
Mule deer.
Gnarly Tesla, gnarly fried chicken, gnarly running Hollywood Hills. This song, gnarly. Oh my god, that new beat.
Okay.
Kasunod ng kain eh. Nakikita mo ba?
Oo. Natutulog eh.
There, that there's a lot. I can't even see it. Okay, my turn to photograph.
Ayun,
There's a
ayun.
bear.
Ito naman, kung kailan naman nandito kami, oh.
Hello? Hi. 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 What's in that cage?
Ayun, ayun.
Mom, if he keeps
Sabi.
keep I don't go behind.
Mountain lion, nakaano pa rin siya. Baka kasi kainin niya yung mga bear.
Nakita mo ba? Ah, yan.
Mm.
Describe everything with one single word. The bear's haranguing.
Oh.
What if that's just a rock? Why is it so slow?
Ay, nakita mo yan?
Oo. Sige pa, lapit
Why is the
pa.
bear so slow?
Kaya pala siya gumitna.
Nara. Tabaw. Kagigising pa lang siguro nito.
There's also more mountain lions over there.
Yung isa ayaw patinag, yan o.
Let's go to the buffalo next because I want to see a buffalo.
Nakatingin sa'yo.
Where?
Kinakamot niya yung puwet niya.
Yeah, it's
Ayun o.
Why are you kamuting your pet there? Can you smell that, Nak?
Okay, I go open the door. Look at the mountain lion. Oh my gosh! Why isn't the black car moving? There's no one in front of it. Oh, black bear!
Ah, meron pala pa kasi. Kaya hindi siya makaalis.
Black bear. Oh no, he's gonna go down.
Oo.
He's gonna go down.
Oh, grabe.
There's
wala
another
rin
block
siya.
person. There's another person that's
Oh my
blocking.
gosh.
Why is that not fair? The bears always keep going to other people, but not us.
At least nakita mo, nagkakamot ng puwet yung isa.
Ang laki.
Boo!
Ang dami na nila. Shoot. Anak, ang dami na nila.
It's okay, Dad.
Nagising na, papakainin yata sila kasi.
Uh-oh, it's going to us, Dad.
Oo.
Oo, gandaan lang daw.
I have to move this because I can't see. Uh-oh. Well, I can't see. Okay. Now Dad's arm's blocking. Oh, look, Dad, we're gonna move here.
Shoot ka naman.
Hi!
Huwag ka maingit.
Ito maingay.
Parang
Hello.
sila.
Neil. Isa.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Ito, malaki na to. Yun.
Black bear and brown bear.
Malaki na
Gab.
yan. Yun.
Ayun na.
Wala lang.
Dude, hi! Hi! Hi!
Huwag ka maingay ka.
Hi!
Ang laki.
Ang laki na.
Oh, it's eating the puddle. It's eating the puddle behind us.
Sumumpa.
Why are you so scared? It's just a
Ah,
butt.
yun yung brown, grizzly brown.
Why is their butt jiggling?
Nangangati.
Sila maglakad eh. Yung mga
Nangangati puwet niya. Gab, huwag ka malikot. Ayan o.
Nakahalata na yan.
Okay,
Kanina pa
Bear's
yan.
awake now.
Tamad-tamad.
Ay, ito.
Hi!
Hindi ko makita ni.
Oo nga, ayan o. Maharang na naman.
Dad, you're gonna gasaan. Okay, gasaan it. Gasaan it. Oh, Bati. Gnarly.
Ayun na, tatayo na yung isa ni.
Hi!
Oh my gosh,
Its
ang
butt's
laki nitong
jiggling.
isa. Ang laki.
I got the best.
Oh my God, teddy bear, look! Look at the teddy bear!
There's one beside you! Hi!
Teddy bear, oh.
Do you
It's so
know?
cute.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Tumayo na siya. Tumayo na. Tinawag na siya.
Oh my gosh, they're talking to each other. I thought, oh, they're kissing!
No.
They're kissing! Why is he running like that? Why is he running like that?
Ito ang isa malakas ang loob eh. Yung mama, yan o. Sa likod, walang harang. Yung park ranger.
Eh, park ranger siya eh.
Yeah, and like, it's just a park ranger.
Umiwas ka na
There's
lang
more over
siguro.
there.
Yan.
It's a
So-
cat.
It's a lynx.
It looks like a cat. It's the same thing, Mom. Stop.
Ayun.
Hi. Why are you going away so much?
Dahan-dahan lang.
It's okay. We're not gonna get eaten by a bear. We're safe and sound in this.
Dami na natin kuha eh.
Yeah, Mom.
Ayun ako.
Where?
Nakaharang rin.
It's all the way over the buffaloes. We didn't go to the buffaloes yet. Sure, there's the bears.
I know. Natutulog eh. Oo.
Nag-aaway ba?
Naghahabulan.
Oh.
Anak natin naman nagtatago. I'm hiding. You can't see me.
I can.
Pag nakita mo silang malapit na tumatakbo, yung muscle nila eh, no? Parang talagang babangga. Pag binangga ka, tatalsik ka eh.
I mean, you're just scared. We just died earlier than
Yeah,
supposed
but
to.
why do we have to die horribly? Then we can enjoy life.
Die in the fate of the bear. From the bear.
The bear won't even eat us. They're trained.
Sabi sa'yo, alam lang nila kung sino.
Hindi yan
ano.
trained, no? Wild
It
pa
is
rin yung
no.
mga yan, no?
It is no.
Nahayaan sila dyan eh.
Well, but then why isn't the park ranger getting eaten?
Meron siyang daladalang ano dyan.
Bear spray.
Oh, hindi spray, ano.
What's bear spray made out of?
Pepper. Ayun na, tumatay yata. Yung bear. Oh.
Mom, if you
Wait. Quiet ka.
Buti yung mga brown tsaka black hindi nag-aaway, ano.
one single word, Mom, Dad, they're bears.
Oh, nag-aaway. Aso nga pag nag-aaway.
And
Tao nga
plus,
nag-aaway.
Dad, I told you they're trained.
Walang trained sa pag-aaway. No?
Ayun, yung isa nakaano sa puno.
Sa puno.
Putol, eh, no.
I wanna pet it.
Diba?
Kakainin ka niyan.
Ay, yung isang subo lang sa bibig mo yan.
Kakagatin ka muna.
No, it's gonna eat me, bite me first. It's not gonna eat me whole, Dad. It
Kaya
doesn't
nga.
have a big mouth. It has a small mouth.
Yung iba, malalaki ang bukas ng bibig niya. Akala mo lang maliit.
Oh. Gusto niya doon sa taas ng puno.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
Ngangamot eh. Ngangati, may pulgas.
It has lice. Why can't it fall? Fall.
Gusto
We
mo
need
siyang mag-fall.
entertainment.
Ayan, nangangamot siya. Para sa'yo. Makamot siya. Oh.
Thinking of you.
With the bear. With the kamuting bear. Why are you kamuting bear?
Because you have lice.
Meron tayo sa ano.
Si
Gnarly
ano?
fried chicken. Gnarly. Pardon the hallway. with hills. This on gnarly.
Yeah.
Don't tell them about this, because then they're gonna go another vacation without us. So don't tell them about this until they get a visa. Boba tea, gnarly Tesla,
Kuha ka ni Mami.
gnarly fried chicken, gnarly party, the hot potatoes. Hello.
Ito eh, oh.
Pakuha ka rito. Dito ka, kuha.
I'm a bear whisperer. Hi, bear.
Pala, ang daming nasakali. Oh.
Why is there so much bears? Hi, bear family. Why are they in the cage? They're in the cage, the two bears.
Ito, isa nakaharang.
Ito maganda yun.
Uh-oh, it's walking on the street. Uh-oh, we're gonna gasaan it. Gasa it. Saan nga 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 nga. Hi! 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 Mom, there's a fall over there. Hi, bear! Hi! Hi!
Huwag na.
Mom, it's not gonna
Ito
eat
maganda,
us.
oh.
Pag yung brown, mas maganda
Gonna
kaysa sa
eat
black. Ano?
us. No, black is better. Oh my gosh, Dad, are you being racist?
Mas maganda itsura niya.
Hi! Hello!
Laki ng ngipin, no?
Okay, it's not listening to me.
Ay, may mga poop ba yan?
Ew, no, that's bear food. Can we go to the gift shop? Because I want to buy a bear thingy. Because I still have like $29 left.
Ay, hindi siya naliligo. Hindi tayo madalas na pabalik-balik sa gate eh. Tanda mo yan, yan. Di ba may kuha? Oo nga, siya nga. Tingnan mo. I-videoan dyan sa pabalik-balik.
Guardia siya siguro. Guardia civil.
You have to give him the ticket or else he'll eat you. Mom, why are you blocking my view? I'm supposed to...
Ay!
Kuha dyan siguro yan. Eh, no? Lagi na lang siya dyan, pabalik-balik.
Balik buying box?
No, she always go back and forth.
Oh my gosh, Dad, you speak English.
Kapag gumano na siya, dapat tumakas ka na.
Oo.
This is a game.
Ayun, tingnan mo.
Why is that so scared?
Parang meron.
Yan, yung pagpalikon,
Yun nga,
patalikod
talikod
na
siya.
siya.
Dapat
Oo.
tumakbo ka na.
Oo. Pero wag ka muna umalis ni. Kunan muna natin siya pabalik-balik.
Drive ahead slowly, bears will move.
Bison! Bison! And a mountain lion.
Wala, inarangan na. Dito naman sa atin.
Oh, it's a nice bear. It won't eat you.
Bantay talaga siya niyan eh. No? Bantay talaga siya dyan, no?
Lapit tayo. Babantay nga siya.
Ow. Oh my gosh, is this real? Everything's gnarly. Oh, my dad's head is blown.
Ano ba siya nahihilo dyan?
Well, I wouldn't get hilo, so maybe you're just like not
Tama ako ni.
like.
Dali na, alisin mo.
Okay, I'll take a picture. Okay, my dad is walking the bear. He said us to video him. I don't know what he's doing. Why?
Bantay ng gate.
Okay. What is that? A prong?
Di siya napapagod, no?
Oo.
That's a pronghorn. An Antilope americana.
Alis ka na ni.
Alis na ako siguro. Pag ano niya, medyo matagal siya pag nagano.
Well, you're also gonna be slow because you can only go 10 miles per hour. Oh my God, it's gonna. Dad, stop right.
Galit siya sa atin.
They won't even eat you.
Dahan-dahan lang ni.
Thinking of you.
Sino?
Kinukunan ko siya sa ano. Kinukunan ko siya dun sa...
Di siya nahihilo na pabalik-balik. Ano ba yun? Sinabi sa kanya, ikaw at ka, pabalik-balik ka.
It was a bison
Teddy tsaka ano.
and a horse.
Hindi horse yan. Naman sa Winnipeg niyan eh.
Nagbabantay pa rin.
Parang kuryente yan.
Nasa na? Yan lang.
Hayden, you want a picture by your wolfie? Hayden, want to go
Payat
stand
na
by
yun
the
ba? Wala na mukha.
Go stand. I'll get you with them in the background. Turn around. All right, ready? Say wolfie. Here.
Dito ka sa ano, tapos sa malapit sa mga.
Good.
Timberwolf.
Ano? Parang hedgehog.
No, go to.
Ito baboy damo.
It's a badger.
Ayun anak, ayun oh. Gabi, ayun oh. Look, Gab.
It's gonna eat you.
Talas na
Yeah, but it's gonna eat you, Dad. It
Yeah?
eats humans.
no. Ayan no, basahin mo.
Badgers eat Gabi. Hindi ko siya masyadong mapansin eh. Tutulog pa siya.
Baboy damo. Ayun kayo ito.
It's just a stuff.
Ang bao.
It's not a bajo stuff luggage.
Bobcat.
It's
What?
a bobcat.
Bobcat.
Naku, tatalon yan oh.
Meow, meow, meow.
Parang siyang pusa lang din eh.
Because it's a bobcat.
Siya lang mag-isa.
Alaga niya.
No, it's
Ni. Oo, mahulog yung isa.
oh, they're kissing.
Ayun sila ikot sa pusa.
No, no, Dad, they're kissing.
Hindi, nililinis nila yung tenga ng bawal. Sabi nga, pagkatapos nililinis yung tenga mo, yung tenga.
Ayun na. Nag-aaway sila na UFC. KFC. Saan ka magbe-bet dyan? Sino man nanalo dyan?
No, the darker one.
The darker one. You're pangit. Coyote. Coyote. Payat, no? Red fox. Red fox. Meron doon, saka meron doon.
Yung mga balahibo yun. Tingnan mo yung naiwan ng mga balahibo.
Ano yun, nak?
Mas malamig kasi sa ilalim ng
Otter.
Otter. Otter thing.
Ang ganda ng lipad ng mga yan. Oh.
simple.
Simple, oh. Oh. Ano yung popcorn? Ayun, oh.
It's a worm! It's a worm! It's a worm! It's a worm!
Ayan, Bear Country ni. Ano yan, nak? Maganda yung lugar. Maganda tong...
Books, bilang mas kaya ng books.
Anong book?
Ay, ito, 244.
Army. Ganda dito. Ayun, anak ko. T-shirt. Cute. Again, Gap. Hindi kita, dapat nakaharap ka dun. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Our Sweet Life Vlog. See you on our next vlog. Thank you.